What? Make it a video. Huh? Oh, I heard something. This don't make no noise, okay?
Hey, this is my room.
I'll make a video, mama.
Always rep the gang, 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 gang. Always rep the gang.
What up, Royal Gang? It's your boy Keysito, back at it again with another video. Now, today I'm gonna be showing you guys how to lace y'all Foamposites. I be seeing a lot of people at my school around just wearing Foamposites, and they don't know what they doing, you know what I'm saying? Some people be asking me how I rock my Foamposites or whatever, and it's the other people I see out in public, they just don't know what they doing. They just look like a straight default skin. Not saying y'all look like a default skin or whatever. Wow. Well, I kinda did this call y'all default, but don't take that in a disrespectful way. It ain't bad being a default skin, y'all. We all gotta start from somewhere. I used to be a default skin, so yeah, if that cheered y'all up, you know what I'm saying? Leave a like. Yeah, today I'm gonna help you guys upgrade from being a default skin to a red knight or whatever. Man, I can't even say red knight no more. Today I'm gonna upgrade y'all to being a default skin into a skull trooper. There we go, skull trooper. But yeah, man, if you guys wanna know how to be a skull trooper by the end of this video, I don't even know why I keep on comparing this video to Fortnite, man. But yeah, man, if y'all wanna be a 99 overall by the end of this video, just stay tuned. And yeah, without further ado, let's go ahead and get into this video. Alright, y'all, I might change my position throughout the video to show you how to lace these shoes. No homo. Y'all take that in the wrong way, then just click on my video or else you'll get blocked. Yeah, I'm gonna start out sitting down or whatever. If y'all just picked up a brand new Foamposite, your shoe won't look like this. But this is the way I'm gonna show you guys how to lace y'all Foamposites for y'all regular version. I'm gonna show y'all the regular version first, and then I'm gonna show y'all how to lace the pros. For the regular version, I just rock mine loose, because you know what I'm saying, Foamposites is like, the laces is kind of funny, but at the same time, it's kind of easy to wear them.
What?
When it comes to lacing y'all shoes, y'all just gotta look at the texture of the shoe and see what goes best for the shoe or whatever. With my regular foams, I just wear it like this. What you guys wanna start off doing is pretty much unlacing y'all shoes. You don't have to unlace your shoes all the way up to the bottom. Basically, y'all just getting y'all shoe loose or whatever. I'm just gonna redo this Foamposite, you know what I'm saying, cause I wore these a lot and they kind of starting to get unlaced. Basically, Foamposites is easy to lace, y'all. It's not hard at all. Basically, y'all just wanna unlace y'all shoe all the way like this, you know what I'm saying? I'm not sure y'all can even see that, and I'm gonna stand up. You know what I'm saying? Just make sure y'all Foamposites look something like that. I know it looks stupid right now, but once you put it on your feet, it's gonna all adjust. Whatever, this is what the shoe's gonna look like off your feet, whatever. Just like it. And then you guys can spread y'all shoe apart. Basically, this is what the shoe should look like right here. I know I didn't show you guys a lot because it's really, I don't feel like I have to show you guys much. All you're doing is unloosening the laces or whatever. You're not going all the way to the bottom. You're just unloosening, like I said. Yeah, after y'all get done doing that, y'all want to go ahead and put the Foamposite on your feet. Like I said, y'all want to go ahead and put the Foamposites on your feet. And basically, the laces should adjust or whatever, so it should look like that. So if the laces adjust, just do the same thing. Just start from the bottom. You just want to lace up, work your way up or whatever. And then, as you guys can tell, each lace you want to pull a little bit more looser. You just want to work your way all the way up to the top, whatever. And then once you do that, just start pulling from the bottom, just like that. You know what I'm saying? Loosen a little bit more if it don't feel right. Pull again. Do it like that. Pull again. Once y'all do that, I'm gonna show you guys how to get your laces hanging or whatever. Alright, y'all have to readjust. Make sure you guys still got your Foamposites on your feet. I'm just showing you guys how to lace it standing up because it's the only way I can show y'all how to really do it. Basically, I'm not sure how Foamposites come laced up. I forgot how they look. I think they come all the way up to the first hole right there. What you guys want to do is take that lace out and put it down to the hole right here. What you guys want to do is take this lace right here and then put it through this hole right here. And it should look something like this. You want to grab the other lace and do the same thing. Grab it, you know what I'm saying? And put it through the second hole right there. First hole right there. Now that y'all done with that, your shoe should look something like this with both of the laces sticking up or whatever. But now what y'all want to do is go ahead and grab the lace right here. And basically you guys want to tuck the lace inside of the shoe, inside the hole right here. And just pull it out. It should look something like this. Then you guys just want to do the same thing with the other lace. And bow just like that. You guys lace y'all shoe. It don't take that long to lace y'all Foamposites, you know what I'm saying? It only take me 5 to 10 minutes to lace my Foamposites when I get them. Yeah, y'all shoe should look something like that or whatnot. If the laces look too long like that, just readjust them. I'm probably gonna pull it up after this video, whatever. But yeah, just like that. That's pretty much how y'all rock y'all foams or whatever. And now moving on. Alright, y'all, moving on to the pro versions right here. I'm gonna show you guys how to lace these shoes. The reason I rock one style for both shoes because the laces on the pros could come like this. I'm not sure if all pro Foamposite laces are like this. For the Fleece Tech, at least I know the laces do come like this, so I do lace them a different way. Sometimes I do wear it like this. If you guys want to wear it like this, this is pretty much the same way I showed you guys how to lace the first Foamposites. I'm just gonna show you guys an additional style. Me personally, I wear both of my shoes like this. I know how to say I wear two different styles for both shoes or whatever. This is pretty much the 90 overall looking version right here. But if y'all wanna upgrade your attributes to 95, I'll show you guys how to do that as well. To get started, you guys wanna do the same thing I did with the first Foamposite. You guys can do this part off y'all feet. Y'all don't really need the shoe on your feet for this part. You guys wanna just unlace them like I showed y'all in the beginning. Go ahead and start unloosing from the bottom, you know what I'm saying? And each time you guys go up the lace, you guys just want to pull it a little bit like that. Then kind of do the same thing, unloose it some more. Same thing for this part. You guys just want to work your way up like I did the first shoe. Just like that. Like I said, your shoe ain't gonna look like this when you put it on your feet. But now what you guys wanna do is go ahead and take the lace out. Only if y'all only got your laces past the first hole, just take it out of the first two holes. Once y'all do that, y'all just wanna pull this lace about right there. Do it like that, and then unloosen it some more. Just like that, do the second lace. Pull it some more. Then y'all want to make sure both y'all laces is even, just like that. And what I do, some people do it to the second hole, but what I do is I do the same thing I did with the first Foamposite. I put it in this hole right here. And then leave it like that for right now. And then do the same thing for the other lace. Just like that. Pull your laces again, make sure they even. Then what you guys want to do is grab both of the laces like that, put them together. Then you guys want to do, put your finger right here, wrap it around your finger, just like that. Make sure your pointer finger is in it like that. Then you guys want to take your thumb and your middle finger just like that, and kind of pinch it together, and then put both of the two laces like that and pull. Just like that, whatever. Now that y'all done with that, y'all shoe should look something like that. Just like that. I know my lace is kind of look too long. I kind of did pull too hard. All you guys want to do is just unloose this lace right here to make the laces shorter, whatever, and then pull less. Like I said, I don't really rock this style like this too much. I really just wear it with my laces out and down or whatever. But you don't see too many people rocking this style right here. It is good for the pro version. That's why I showed you guys it on the pro version or whatever, but you can wear it on the regular Foamposite version if you want. Alright, y'all, that's pretty much it for this video. This video helped you guys out. Be sure to leave a like on the video. If it did, I'm sorry guys, you know what I'm saying? I'm just trying to help you guys out on how to upgrade y'all shoes or whatever. But you guys did everything right. You guys should be looking like a 90 to 95 overall. And like I said, if you guys are still an 80 overall, I'm sorry. Just go ahead and look at another video. But yeah, y'all, subscribe if you do. Got a giveaway coming out of 1,000 subscribers, so you guys want to enter that giveaway. Just subscribe and stay tuned. Yeah, until then, it's your boy King CeeLo. Time out.